Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some friend mail. Yay! So Lois from Life with Lois's and Jean from Pinkee Jean sent me some friend mail, and I'm so super excited. It couldn't come at a better time, to be honest with you guys. I've just been going through some stuff, and I'm sure that this friend mail is going to cheer me up. So without further ado, let's see what these two lovely ladies sent to me. Okay guys, so we're going to start with a card that I got from Jean, and again, her channel is called Pinkee Jean. She recently changed the name of her channel due to some copyright issues that she was having with her other channel, which was called Jean's Junk. She is a lovely, 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 beautiful lady, so if you guys do not know who Jean is, please make sure that you check her out. She has a lot of fun stuff going on her channel, and what I love most about Jean and Lois, both of them, they are a constant on my channel. They are always watching my videos and showing their support to me, even when I can't make it over to their channels as much as I want to, and as much as I love watching both of them. My life is so chaotic right now with learning a new job, raising my son, you know, just life stuff. And I have a lot of things going on in the background that I don't care to discuss publicly, but I'm just saying there's a lot going on, and I try so very hard to make it over to their channels as much as I possibly can. Lois and Jean are always first on my list when I start watching videos because they are so faithful to my channel. So the least that I can do is show them the same support. So that was super long. Let's jump into this card that I got from Jean. So we both have, hers is like a mailing address box, and this is a P.O. box. So she has some really cute Valentine stickers on the front of the little card here. And on the back it says, "You're flamazing," with a flamingo. I love it. It is so cute. And I need to hear that right now, to be honest with you guys. Okay. So let's open this up and see what fun stuff Jean has in store for me. Oh my goodness, I can't pull this card out of here for some reason. I already pre-opened it to try to make this go faster, and then I'm still going super slow. Ooh, we got some confetti. So it says, "Hey Peep, happy Valentine's Day." I am going to open up this confetti that I'm sure is about to fall out. Woo! But there's something cute that's crocheted in here. But she's got all this super cute confetti in here, but we're just going to pour that out right on top of this little package here. It says, "Amber, thank you for your support of my channel." And then it says, "I'm tickled pink that you're my friend. Just me, Jean." Oh, so cute, guys. I just love Jean. She is so great. And here's the front of the card. I think I didn't show that to you. So there's that. That is super cute as well. I love the back of it. It says, I really don't know how to say her last name. I think it's Pasquale or something like that, but it says Pasquale Productions on the back. How adorable is that? That it's so cute. Love it. It is so original. Thank you for thinking of me, Jean. I really appreciate it. And then she has this cute little crocheted heart. Look how adorable that is, guys. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. So guys, again, if you have not been over to Jean's channel, it is called Pinkee Jean, and I will have a link to her channel in the description box below. Now let's move on to the friend mail that I got from Lois. And if you guys are not familiar with Lois, her channel is called Life with Lois's, and she does all kinds of stuff, guys. She takes you on road trips, she takes you shopping, she does cooking, baking, unboxings. She's just got all kinds of fun stuff going on her channel. So if you guys haven't been over there, please make sure that you stop by and check her out. She does a lot of short videos that are super cool too. So there's just a lot of fun stuff going on her channel. So if you guys get a chance, please make sure you stop over and check her out. She is a very dear friend of mine, and she knows I've been going through some stuff because her and I talk every now and again. We have each other's phone numbers and via Instagram as well. And anyway, let's see what lovely stuff Lois has sent to me. So let's take a look here. It's in an Ipsy bag, which is awesome. I love that she's recycling her Ipsy bags. And on the front there, it says friend mail with her lovely flowers that she draws. I love how she does that on everybody's friend mail. Hopefully you guys can see that because I saw a lot of glare there. So let's see what she's got in here. Let's just dig right in, guys. Is there a card? Ooh, there is. All right, let's do the card first. Oh, this is from her confetti collection. I think that's what it's called, confetti collection or the party, but I'm not really sure. But she gets this really cool subscription. At any rate, it says, "Yay!" How cute is that, guys? All right, let's open it up. And it says, "Hope you're as excited as I am about today in Life with Lois's." I wish I could say that. but I'm getting there, guys. All right. And then it says, hope this finds you well. Just a little gift to let you know you are in my thoughts. See you on YouTube, my friend. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Lois. I appreciate that. Again, I have talked to her a little bit about what's going on in the background with me, so she is aware I'm going through some stuff. So let's see what goodies she sent to. Oh, yay! Wonder Woman stickers. I've told you guys this, and I've already started working on some Wonder Woman stuff. So these will definitely come in handy. I just want to create some really cool, like, shoes, maybe an outfit that's like Wonder Woman theme. Oh, yay! We got some puffy stickers on the front here, guys. Look at those. Yay! I gotta think of what I'm gonna do with these stickers, guys, because I do have some other Wonder Woman stickers. Look at those. Oh, those ones are great. Yes! And then these are like, what do they call these? They're foil stickers. I think you'll have a hard time seeing those ones because of the glare from my lights, but trust me, guys, they're super cool. And then we have some other ones that are just glossy stickers on the back side here. So I'm really excited to work with these guys. I definitely have a ton of ideas. I just have to try to execute them to the point where they actually work, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's dig in and see what this is. Oh, it's a tote. A Batman tote. Guys, so I've been using these super cool totes. Look at that. That is so incredibly fun. But I've been using these for storage of all of my super fun stuff that I need to like turn into something. I've been using these and like labeling the totes on what's inside. So I'll be happy to have this one too, because it's like a decorative way to store your craft stuff, in my opinion. So that's what I've been doing with those. You guys will see that in my geeky area hopefully very soon. Let's see this super fun stuff here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so pretty. It says love you. It's a hand towel. Look how pretty that is, guys, with a buffalo check. I do have this black and white buffalo check going on in my kitchen right now. So this is awesome. I would definitely put this out next year for Valentine's Day. I love it. Ooh, we got some face masks. So this one here is a collagen face mask. So that'll be fun to do. I don't do the mask Mondays, guys, but I do masks all the time because, you know, my face needs help just like almost everybody else. So what is this? This is like a whole melts makeup away. We got a cleansing oil, a foaming face wash, a toner, and hydrating cream. So it's like a whole step system here, guys. Look at that. That's awesome. So I will definitely try all of that stuff out. That sounds super fun. And then we have this Nourish Flower Nectar sheet mask. So there's that one as well. Ooh, hope you guys are seeing this stuff because I see glare, but when I play it back, I might not see the glare. I hope I don't. So this one is this air packing pink wrap. Oh, it's self-warming, firming, illuminating, and replenishing. Okay, then. All right, that sounds awesome. And I need all of that help, guys. Believe me, I need it all. That's awesome, Lois. Thank you. And then there is one thing left in here. Oh, stop it. Oh, it's so awesome. It's a Marvel Comics shirt. We have Thor, Captain America, Spider-Man, Iron Man, and I'm going to say that's supposed to be Black Widow, I think. But guys, look at that. Yay! How fun is that? I am so super excited, you guys. Yay! She got me another super cool shirt that was Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt, and I wear that one all the time, and I'm sure I will wear this one all the time too. I love it. Lois, thank you so much. Jean, thank you so much. I needed this pick-me-up. You guys kind of sent me this stuff at a better time. I'm just, you know, dealing with some stuff like we all do in our life. And that's why my posting has been all chaotic and crazy. And I just feel like my whole channel is going down the tubes. All of my hard work and dedication to this channel, I feel like it's all going down the tubes. But I'm hoping to be able to pick things back up and get on a regular posting schedule. What I'm finding is with this new position that I have at work is that I really need to record my videos early in the morning. I'm talking like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning before my day starts, because what I'm finding is after my day is over, I'm just so mentally exhausted that I don't feel like recording. And that's what I used to do with my other position that I was in. I used to record after I was done for the day. And with this new job, I'm just not doing that because I just don't have the motivation to do that right now. So I noticed as I started recording early in the morning, like in the wee hours of the morning, that was working out better. It just really stinks lighting wise because I like to film my DIYs and stuff like that with natural light, with the sunlight coming in my sunroom. So it's kind of messing with that, but I don't know, guys. I'm still trying to figure it out. And then I definitely want to get back to posting the shoe videos. I've lost a boatload of subscribers lately, and I'm thinking those were probably the people that were following me for the shoes. And I haven't been posting shoes. Not because I don't want to, not because I don't enjoy posting the shoes. I just haven't had time to work those videos in. But I'm definitely I planned on working them in for February, but that just didn't happen. So hopefully I can work those back in beginning in March and keep those on track and keep doing those, because I know a lot of people are following me just for the shoes and I haven't been posting them. And then the Fashion Fridays will also be coming back very soon as well. I have so many ideas and I've been working on some various different things. But again, I just haven't had time to edit and post those videos. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I will get my act together for next month. I'm trying my best here, guys, and that's literally all we can do. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Please make sure that you stop over and check out Jean and Lois and let them know that Amber sent you, because they're two lovely ladies and they deserve all the support and love in the world. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some friend mail! Yay! I hate when that happens. How can I prevent that? Not do that. Alright, try it again. Because I enjoy it so very much, but I just haven't been able to edit the videos that I've been crafting. So I've been doing the crafts, I just haven't been able to edit them and get them up on the days that I... Okay, bye. Due to some copyright issues that she was having, so she did change her I can't talk. All right.